So I am really excited about the Polyvagal Flip Chart because since the very first workshop I gave a number of years ago, my colleagues have been asking for a flip chart, and it's been on the list of things to do, and finally made it to the top of the list, and is going to be, I think, a really useful tool for therapists. The organizing principles, the maps. In session, they tell me that they have been drawing on pieces of paper and having that out. So the flip chart is going to be a way that clinicians have that tool right there. I imagine most of them are just going to keep it out, keep it handy during their sessions, and then turn to the page that references the work they're doing that day. It's going to have pages that you can create the map on in the moment, which is a really helpful thing to do in a session. So, I'm looking forward to hearing actually from clinicians how they're using the flip chart, but I'm expecting that they're going to be happy with it because so many people have been asking me for it for so many years now. So the organization of the flip chart is going to be, as your client is looking at a page, you are going to have the description and the explanation for what the client is seeing, so that you have the information to share with your client.